Why does your scanner show the P015B engine code? What does it mean? P015B is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor delayed response lean to rich, bank 1 sensor 1. P015B indicates the powertrain control module is not getting a normal response from the oxygen sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor. Damaged O2 sensor wiring. Exhaust leaks. Contaminated fuel. Catalytic converter issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in GMC, Nissan, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.